Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the ringtone in your Samsung Galaxy M15. To do this operation, slide up, go to settings here, and there is option sound and vibrating. So click on it and there is a ringtone. Yep, so click on it and there is a few ringtone which you can choose. That's it. You can set up the volume of your ringtone. And there is a ringtone for the SIM 1. You can set up the ringtone for the SIM 2 if you wish. Of course, you can set up the ringtone volume for this SIM 2, which is different for the SIM 1. Okay. And as you see, we have set up the two ringtones for our SIM cards. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe and see you by next video. Hey!